I wanted to share with you some of the key features that I like to look for when I am buying long-term buy and hold rental properties. Obviously, we want the home to be, in growing areas and places where we think home values are going to rise, and places where there's good rents, good cash flow. But I wanted to talk more so about what features in the house itself I'm looking for. So number one of the things that I really love to find when I can is a home that doesn't have very much carpet. I like carpet to be in the bedrooms, but I want almost all the living areas and the hallways and things like that to be tile or luxury vinyl plank or laminate. Ideally, tile would be the most ideal situation because, tenants are going to be hard on carpet, and it can be really add up and eat into a lot of your profits if you're having to replace the carpet every single time you turn a tenant over. And the challenge is, depending on the damage to the carpet, a lot of times it's just normal wear and tear, and you can't even charge the security deposit for the carpet. And so that's a big one for me, a home that doesn't have very much carpet. And then the other big thing that I look for is I want it to ideally have a newer air conditioner, and hopefully a roof that's also not super old, or a newer roof, because those are the huge expenses, at least here in Arizona, that we deal with on most homes. A lot of the other repairs are not so expensive that it's going to totally ruin my cash flow for 3 years if I have to do it. But if I have to replace a roof, let's say I buy a rental property, I've only rented it out for a year or two, and then I have to replace the roof, that's going to really eat into a lot of my profits. So I'd prefer to not have to buy that type of property. Oftentimes, and I've been very successful with this in the past, I've even bought some homes that are brand new construction. Maybe the cash flow on them wasn't as amazing as I could have gotten on resale homes in the area, but I loved the idea that I wasn't going to have to deal with roofs or air conditioners for many, many years. So those are some of the key factors that I look for. Of course, again, we've got the financials and the numbers and the rents, and the cash flow is a huge factor in that as well. If you would like more information about how to begin investing in real estate, please hit me up. I would love the opportunity to help.